Okay, today's video is going to be involving learning how to make this extension handle for lighting barbecue pits or for lighting possibly even fireplaces or anything else. Then you might need a long handle. You'll dip the end in vegetable oil, lamp oil, or in petroleum jelly, something that does a slow burn. You'll light it with a match and it gives you more time to light from a distance your fire. You'll need a barbecue skewer and a glue stick. Okay. Essentially what you're going to do is going to use the skewer to start the paper, picking the pointy end and putting it into the newspaper side, the corner. Okay, this is going to help you start it. Alright, so essentially what you're going to do is this. You know what, let me reposition the camera here. So here we go. You grab the corner and you start rolling that over. Okay. You use the barbecue skewer to start the paper, and it makes it easier for the paper to hold its shape. Okay. Just like that. Then what you do is you'll pull the barbecue skewer a little bit out at a time and just keep rolling. Here's the fun part. This actually becomes a little bit more narrow, but this is just for the sake of showing you. So you can do it a couple of times and it gets more narrow with every pass. So let's try this again. Put the barbecue skewer in the corner. Keep rolling. Okay. And as you're rolling, you move the skewer out of the way. Okay. Move the skewer out of the way. And keep rolling on the skewer part. Okay, here's the fun part. You'll take your glue and glue this down vigorously. Okay, put a lot of glue on it. Alright, and then you'll end up with something like this. See, here's the glue portion of it. Right there. You just let it dry, and you'll have your tightly rolled newspaper. So once again, all you really need are three things: an abundant amount of newspaper, a glue stick, and a barbecue skewer. Preferably, let's see the length on this. It's about 1 foot long. So that's your craft for today to help you light a fire from a safe distance. We'll see you in the next video.